Audio Jungle.
Good morning. Thank you. Thank you, Suresh. Thank you, Lars Peter. Narasimha Reddy Garu, our MD of TSIIT, Honorable Legislator, Sri Vinay Bhaskar Garu, Director of Life Sciences, Telangana Government, Sri Shakti Nagappan, to the Ferring family, to the local public representatives here, and to the distinguished gathering. Congratulations to Ferring and the entire team. A conversation that started about 2 years ago with your chairman visiting Honorable Chief Minister, as now I'm delighted fructified, and today we are actually breaking the ground. And I do hope that in about 18 months from now, Suresh, we should have your chairman come back and possibly inaugurate the facility as well, so I do look forward to that as well. Let me also share with you that this particular avenue in Genome Valley is so impressive. In fact, Shakti was just telling me that we should call this the European Avenue, because we have GSK, then we have Novartis, we have Lonza, we have Chemo, Spanish, Swiss, I think Belgian, UK, and now we have another Swiss company, another Swiss major Ferring right here. So I think we should rightly call this the European Avenue, this entire lane possibly, because of all the European presence here. So my compliments. And let me also add that this cluster, Genome Valley in Hyderabad, is Asia's single biggest cluster for pharma and life sciences companies. We have more than 200 companies here. It is the largest cluster in Asia, like I mentioned. And Ferring today joins a very illustrious group of companies, illustrious group of marquee names in Hyderabad, which includes Novartis, GSK, Chemo, DuPont, United States Pharmacopoeia, Alembic, Bharat Biotech, Biological Evans, Nectar, among many others. I'm only talking about Genome Valley, and if you go outside of it, you have the who's who of Indian pharmaceutical industry right here in Hyderabad, the Dr. Reddy's, Hetero, Aurobindo, and I can go on and on. There are many, many hundreds of pharmaceutical companies here. So we are very excited that this ecosystem, this cluster, is shaping up really, really well. But myself and our Honorable Chief Minister also have very, very big plans for this entire region. In fact, we call this current facility Genome Valley 1.0. Now we are launching Genome Valley 2.0 as was announced in BioAsia 2018. We believe that this cluster can actually, the entire Hyderabad ecosystem, which is currently almost a $50 billion enterprise in terms of cumulative worth, can double in size and become a $100 billion ecosystem in the next 10 years. I'm sure with the support of Ferring, I'm sure with the support of other players in the ecosystem, we should be able to achieve it. The total employment in Hyderabad today, in the life sciences sector, is about 200,000 people directly and about 400,000 people indirectly. We hope that we will be able to double this number in the next 10 years, along with the doubling of the total enterprise value. Now, Genome Valley 2.0, as we call it, will be launched soon. We are in the process of acquiring land. We already have a piece of land which is about 12 kilometers from here, but we are also looking to acquire something closer. Then Hyderabad Pharma City, which is also coming up in about 19,000 acres, which would make it the world's largest single pharma cluster. And also the medical devices park that we've already launched, where almost 18 companies, 18 different enterprises are building their facilities of manufacturing med devices for India. All of this together will ensure that Hyderabad consolidates and reaffirms its position as the premier destination for life sciences investments in India. Today, life sciences, as you know, has become extremely important for the rest of the world as well. India is known as the pharmacy of the world, but I think Hyderabad rightfully can call itself the pharmacy of India by extension, because more than 35 to 40% of pharmaceutical production in India happens from Hyderabad. In fact, I'm even happier and proud to share with you that more than 1/3 of world vaccines, global vaccines, are produced in Hyderabad today. So there's 1 in a 3 chance. Next time when Lars Peter Bruns is getting one of his children or grandchildren, a vaccine shot, there's 1 in a 3 chance that it could have been manufactured right in Hyderabad. I wanted to share with you. My belief that Hyderabad ecosystem will only continue to grow stems from the fact that life sciences is an extremely important thrust area for us, and we continue to build on the momentum, and we continue to encourage more and more overseas investors and also more and more Indian companies to set shop in Hyderabad. And as the Minister for Industry and Commerce, I'll only assure you one thing. As Suresh pointed out, proactive policies of the government, an extremely vibrant ecosystem, and an extremely encouraging talent pool. Just yesterday evening, in fact, we entered into a skill development partnership with United States Pharmacopoeia, who is starting courses on Monday. So with highly talented workforce, with a very proactive government, and with incentives that we will either meet or beat the best in the business in India, I do believe that Hyderabad today is ranked, and Telangana today is ranked number one on the ease of doing business for this specific reason, because it is being driven from the top. So therefore, my congratulations to Ferring and the entire team, and I do hope that Shakti and Jayesh Ranjan and the entire industries and commerce team will continue to drive and steer the life sciences ecosystem in the right direction. Thank you very much. Good luck.
ఏంటండి వీడియో నచ్చిందా? అయితే ఓ లైక్ వేసుకోండి, లేదంటే ఓ కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఎప్పటికప్పుడు మా వీడియోస్ చూడాలంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.